Jeez, they really do help you.
Yeah, I guess so.
Huh? My friend does have a point. Who are you?
My name is Toad. I come from a place far from this galaxy.
Okay, now my turn to ask a question. Where the hell are you taking us?
You guys are very weak compared to Vegeta. It's like the power scaling of Yamcha to Goku.
Who are they?
Not important. Anyways, I'm taking you to get your power awakened. That is, if you have any.
You take us for weak?
Bruh, calm down.
He's trying to help us.
Alright, we're here, but one more thing. You guys kinda look like a boy.